She just walked out with a shotgun.
The girlfriend has a shotgun, right?
Yes, sir. I mean, I have a 7-year-old and a 5-year-old out here.
Okay.
My brother and his girlfriend got in an argument, and we're just trying to get his keys for his truck.
Okay, all right. He bought out the shotgun, pretty much. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All
she
right.
walked out the door with it.
There she is right there. Hey, Brittney, can you come to the door, please? Thank you. Brittney, it's the police department. Can you come out to the door? Hey, Brittney, it's the police department. Hey, Brittney, it's the police department. Hey, Brittney, can you come to the door, please? Thank you.
Oh, she got a gun. Hey, put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Put the fucking gun down in the window. Put it down. Put the fucking gun down. Put the gun down. Put the fucking gun down.
By the window.
Put the gun down. Put it down or I'm going to shoot you. Put it down or I'm going to shoot you. Stop. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Shots fired.
Drop that fucking gun.
Shots fired. 24-55. Shots fired.
Drop that gun. Drop the fucking gun. No, she went inside.
Is anything hurt right now?
Yeah, my chest, but that was previous. I've had issues right here of it hurting. I don't know what.
Anything else?
No, I mean just the random fragments, but that's about it.
That's about it? Okay.
Where's the weapon at that was inside?
It's in the living room. The guy on the phone told me to kick it to the right of the front door.
Okay, good. Well, I'll hang out with these guys real quick.
Well, CSU's coming out.
Okay, so they'll probably
we're just securing it just in case it gets tabbed by CSU or a Kingwood unit. Because I can't put it in the back with her.
No.
And
well, mine's has him.
Yeah.
But it should be okay. Because we're going to lock it.
Hey, how you been, man?
Not bad, sir.
Been good?
Been pretty good. Let's take over here. Clear to you. Flip it. It's cleared.
All right, hold it.
Got it.
What is it?
Hang on, that's not the
8
model.
gauge. Let's say 8 gauge.
Here you go. Mossberg?
Mossberg. M-O-S-S-D.
Sorry, Mossberg.
R-G. Hold on. Black and wood, 20 gauge. Okay.
20 gauge. Has green paint in front, whatever that is. Alright.